Nanababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga. This is another vlog in which we feature businesses here in Pampanga. And for today's vlog, we would like to thank Antonina's Kitchen for the second time they sent us, guys, on our table. This is actually one of my favorite food na binavlog dito po sa Pampanga. And again, Antonina's Kitchen, thank you very much. If you remember, guys, feature natin sa kanila yung ready-to-cook churros nila. So these are just some, ayan. And now, they came back with another product. So ito yung tinatawag nilang churro sausage. Again, from Antonina's Kitchen, the Churreria La Antonina's churro sausage. So they have 4 variants. So the first one is the Hungarian, which is this one. Hungarian sausage, guys. How's that sound? Next is yung chicken naman. Ayan. So this is a chicken sausage. The third one is this one, all meat sausage. And then the last is their Danish cheese. Yan. So, surprisingly, meron din silang plant-based churros. Ayan. Let me just read the ingredient, no? So, this is a vegan churros ingredient. Flour, water, sugar, coconut oil, baking powder, cinnamon, vanilla, and salt. So, this is a plant-based churros. Ayan, which is this one. And then next, they have their plant-based. And then lastly, which is, I'm really excited, is yung kanilang churro sausage. Okay. So, available din yung kanilang mga cinnamon powder. So, this is a cinnamon sugar and this is a cinnamon nut sugar. Although sweet, guys, it's sugar-free. Okay, I wanna taste yung kanilang Hungarian. Of course, guys, we're gonna taste each sausage that they sent us. Each sausage variant yan. Wow. The Hungarian sausage, from the name itself, of course, is a little bit spicy, it's a little bit peppery, ganyan. And then you have your crispy churros embracing the Hungarian, and then you have your cinnamon and then the sugar, peppery and salty, and then you have a really amazing flavor from the cinnamon and sugar for the sweetness. Alternatively, you can still dip doon sa mga different flavors na dip nila. Available per bottle or per cup pa rin, no? So, if you want to taste that, they have different flavors, no? Ayan, meron silang salted caramel, dulce de leche, cookies and cream, cookie butter, and the dark chocolate. I think this is the cookie butter. Ayan. So, you can still dip it, you know? Depende pa rin sa preference mo. Wow. So, before I move on to the next flavor ng sausage natin, I wanna taste yung kanilang plant-based churros. Ayan. Look at that. Oh, wow. For me, siguro magbe-benefit talaga dito are those people who are conscious doon sa mga ingredients na mga kinakain nila. So, if they are looking for a plant-based churros, this is available here. Okay, next I want to taste is yung kanilang all-meat sausage. And look at that. Each box comes with 3 servings, no? 3 pieces of churros plus yung sausage natin. And this one is the all-meat. So, on our first video, super nag-enjoy ako sa kanilang mga dip. Actually, as a matter of fact, pinadahan kami ng mga dip nila per bottle for us to enjoy as a spread. So talagang nag-enjoy ako doon. Sobrang sarap ng kanilang mga dip. Right now, I think they gave us a different kind of experience. So merong savory because of the sausage, because of different flavors yung mga sausage natin. And at the same time, the quality of the churros itself, you can still enjoy kung natikman mo na yung mga unang products nila na na-send. So guys, if you're interested to taste or experience what I experienced here, make sure to check out their fan page. It's Antonina's Kitchen. And yeah, we're gonna be providing all the informations below this video. So make sure you check yung information dito sa video na to. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Again, this is a highlight of Antonina's Kitchen sa product nila. They have sent us their new product, which is the churro sausage. Anyway, I'm gonna share it with my family. Guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, keep safe, guys. Bye-bye.